Hello everyone, it's Spazzy McFrick here, and I decided to redo this tutorial because last time it was garbage because I was way younger. Anyway, so this is how you do an Undertale dialogue sound effect in flipaclip. So I already have, a recording of my voice. You need to make sure that this recording is short. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this down, move it over here, and I'm gonna do like an outwards pinch motion to stretch this out. Now if you can't do this, you can also just cut it really short. See, that's a thing you can do, but I'm gonna just stretch it out since I have the ability to, and I'm gonna cut somewhere, it's near the middle. But I want to make sure that I get this little fade thing here. And I'm gonna delete the first part. I'm gonna cut this down, actually. There we go. So there's our first piece of dialogue sound effect. And then we're gonna copy this multiple times. And see, it's already sounding like an Undertale dialogue sound effect. Now, if you want this to last for a shorter time, you can also cut it shorter. But this works too. And now you can make your character have an Undertale dialogue sound effect. And that's how you do it, folks.